the finish line. Okay, can you read this one?
Hello, I am bird.
Very good. Hello, I am bird. 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this?
Teacher tak gerak.
Confuses you.
Read this one.
My sister shell is 6.
Very good. My
Huh?
sister shell is 6. Write the rocket. Can you read this one?
Yeah. Shell has long, dark curls.
Very good. Shell has long,
Curls.
dark curls. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this?
Saturday, Shell and I garden together.
Very good. Last Saturday, Shell and I played in the garden together. Okay, another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
In a fir
Fur.
tree.
Wow, we saw fir tree. We saw 2
What's
birds
fir tree?
nesting in a fir tree. Okay, another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Can you read this?
Shell and I ran around the fir tree.
Fir tree. Shell and I ran around the fir tree. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this?
We have bad luck.
We had bad luck. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this?
First, I tripped over a stoop, stump, and fell.
Very good. First, I tripped over a stump and fell. Okay, right, the rocket.
A rock.
Next, can you read this one?
Yay, the last one. Huh? Okay.
Sorry.
Lucky, Then Shell tripped over me and fell.
Very good. Then she'll trip over me and fell. Okay, you've reached the star. Good job.